What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the CLC Paint YouTube channel. And today, I like these taller canvases. It covers more of the screen when we're recording here. But I thought let's just start with some phthalo blue. That green there is dry, so don't worry about that. Just imagine it's a clean palette. And if it isn't dry, then we'll work with it. But I'm pretty sure it's dry. See what we got here. Yeah, see that? See that? So we'll take some of that. That's just pure phthalo blue. Now, let's see if we've got enough liquid white. I thought I did, but just start across those corners. I got a 1-inch brush, so I can do little smaller areas, but maybe something like this. Leaving open areas. I'm going to do clouds up in here. And with my shaky table. And if you run out of paint, just reload the brush with some more. Maybe let's do that real quick. Just grab it, pull it, tap it. Tap it to make sure you don't have big old clumps in there. That way it blends nice and good. We'll start at the top again. We want this to be the darkest up here. I'm going to do a cloud right in that area. Right in there. And there'll be one coming off over there. Something like so. And that just does whatever it wants. There, we got all these open areas here. A little darker, a little brighter. Now, I'm going to take a touch more of that blue, tap it, and we're going to pull straight in down here. I'm going to turn this so I can hopefully do it real straight. See, where I don't have enough liquid white, it's real grainy. And if you like that look, then that's fine. I kind of prefer it to be a bit smoother, but we'll work with what we got on the canvas today. But yeah, see right where there's liquid white there, it comes off all smooth. And it's very easy to tell. See right here, it's drier. A little bit of dry there. You usually don't want to come back this way because you'll leave a line. Let's just get this nice and blended on there. There, that's fine for now. Land will be covering up whatever we don't want. Whatever we don't want, we'll put big old trees and things blocking it. Now, I think just to add interest, we'll take some Prussian blue. Now this is a darker. This is a darker. Tap it. Just a touch of that. And we're going to make these corners even darker to give nice contrast to the rest of our painting. Push hard to get some of that dark color in there. I like it. This will help the clouds to have action in them. These little dark spots that we're putting in here. There we go. There we go. All right, nice. And let's take ourselves, we got a brand new fan brush. But before we use that, I think we're going to take this clean brush and maybe I'll use the 2-inch brush that still has the liquid white from the beginning. And let's just softly do some little blending here. Not too much. I want to leave these white areas, but we do want to have it softly blended. And just little X strokes. And to take out the brush strokes, just softly come across it. There we go. There we go. Getting a nice soft blend. Excellent. And then down here, just come across. See, that turned the brush a light blue color. Excellent. Now, a bunch of different variations of blue going on in there. Let's see. Let's go back to this new fan brush. I want to show you this. All of these fan brushes have come in the same exact set, and they all say they're a number 6 fan blender. But look at the difference of those guys. This one's really short, this one's medium size, and this one's big. And the shortest one is thicker than all the rest. So over the years, they must have changed some of their brush sizes and shapes. Check the description down below. I should have the Amazon links for these sets. But I'm just going to load a whole bunch of white. Whoops, that's out of the camera there. Whole bunch of white right into the corner of that new fan brush. We're going to come up here and just do, right at the top of our white areas, we're going to do clouds. So like right there. And just let them happen. And before the brush gets too much blue on it, come back and load some more white. See that? Come back and load some more white. I like making these videos as simple as I possibly can to inspire somebody who's never tried this to try it. And maybe you guys got something going like that. And I might need some more white eventually. See, we're running out down here. Wiggle it, pull it. Maybe this guy. Yeah, see? These are going to be exciting clouds. And the dark right on top of the light area gives good contrast. And these light areas keep our brush from becoming super blue while we're working them on the canvas palette, or working them on the canvas. Loading up last bit of that, maybe keeping the brush vertical, like so. Now, before we put in more, we really want a clean brush because we don't want a ton of blue to go on. So we're going to come up at the very bottom and just do circles. If you've got to stop and clean your brush, go ahead and do it. I've got a few brushes going here. I'm going to try to keep this one as wide as I possibly can. Just doing circles like that. And do some more circles on this one. And see, that softens up the bottom so much. So much. Just circles at the bottom. There we go. If you get any hairs on there, just grab them off like that. And tap them on the palette. Now, soft as we can. We don't want to destroy these. Just a circular lifting motion. As soft as you just brush it. There we go. You don't want to do them straight up. It'll look like it's raining backwards. Looks like gravity's got all confused. That's why I do these circular shapes. And that one got a little straight up there. Sideways. And you'll get these little stringy things coming off the top of them. Real nice. And then soft as ever, just come across. If you push hard, it'll smear them sideways. So zero pressure, zero pushing. And this is a beautiful, fun way to practice doing them. Nice cloudy day, but it's still warm out, not dark clouds, you know. And I need a little more white on the palette, so I'm going to grab some white there, place it right down here, just like so. I like to work out of the pile. If I can get the lid on there. Alrighty. Back to our fan brush. That's barely got any blue on the end of it. And when I'm doing this, I've learned that I don't really need to load the whole brush, just one corner mostly. One corner. Now. Maybe, what are we thinking? Maybe this one comes in front of that one. And then see, since it's softened there, and then there's some hard parts right here, it'll kind of layer it for us. Load some more white. All right, we're gonna have the tops of our white areas. So something like so. And see, now that we've blended some of them, the ones that we had now look like they're closer. Maybe. Maybe I'll just let him work off like that. Some little flat things going on. And see, our brush is starting to get blue, but not too much because we left those white areas. Yeah, let's do it. Just pushing at the top. Make some of them taller, some of them shorter. I'm liking this. This is a nice cloudy sky. Blue sky with beautiful clouds everywhere. Beautiful clouds. All right. Switch back to our blending brush. We can wipe it on a paper towel just to make sure there's not much color on it. And at the bottom of this one. Careful not to hit the top of this one. You could have even blended this first and then done the next row if you want. Oh yeah. There we go. There we go. Here we go. Just softening all that. And see, now it looks like this one comes from the back, and then in front of it, this one comes back down. This layering helps us to create a whole bunch of depth just with a simple, super simple sky like this. It's literally just blue and white, but we can create all this action going on. And I am doing this on purpose so that I can practice this. I'm no master. I'm no master. The beginner's mind is key. You must maintain. Now, if you blend that too much, it'll lose its depth there. So let's just keep it pretty hard and distinct. This makes me feel good. This makes me feel good. It'll make you feel good too. It's very zen, meditative practice here. Soften those guys ever so soft. Ever so soft. And if you get these cross streak brush strokes in there, buff it upwards once again. Just get it to where you like it. And I like that. I like that a lot. What do you think, ladies and gentlemen? Did that work for you? If you tried this, let me know. This will be just part one of this whole landscape that we'll do. I'll probably title this video Practicing Clouds in the Sky or something, practicing background clouds or whatever. But if you got value, smash the like button. Leave me a comment below if you like the look of this sky, if you think it's way too basic. I do a ton of these blue skies because they're simple and it gets better the more you do it. But yeah, let me know if this worked. Let me know if this inspires you to try to do a blue sky. You could do this on a tiny little canvas if you want to practice. But anyways, that'll be part one, and I'll be back for part two in the future. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and check the description below the video. Extend it open and you'll find the links that I put in there if you want to buy one of my paintings or anything that I have value to. All right. Thank you very much.